Charlie, an amazing amount of Hayabusa motors for sale. Keep one for me in case I blow up. Everybody needs one.
We got you, Jack.
You're the man. And you know we got you here on Cycle Drag. We always do. If you know anybody who rides a Suzuki Hayabusa, we found 100 Gen 2 motors for sale for a great price. Stay with us all throughout this video to get the info. Weeks Performance, Bill Johnson, Doug Lindsay, the one and only Charlie Farrar in the house. Guys, we have some information to pass on. We've got chassis and we've got a ton of motors. Talk to me about what you're doing here.
Well, we built a chromoly chassis. It's pretty much set up for a 460 bike. We can build one, of course, you know, a la carte, anything you want, any way you like it. We do everything in-house. And it's basically under the C&W brand. We brought the C&W brand back to life. And Charlie's been riding for us, and we can fabricate anything, outside bearing supports, whatever you like.
Now you're telling me you got more than 100 Gen 2 Hayabusa motors?
Well, Jack, this deal is a friend of mine that used to run my chrome shop. He has his own deal now. It's called All Things Chrome. They're outside of Nashville. He has 128 of these motors. They're all Gen 2, they're brand new. They come with the starter, stator, airbox, fuel injection, oil cooler, exhaust, and a water pump. They have never been started.
So Charlie, an amazing amount of Hayabusa motors for sale. Keep one for me in case I blow up. Everybody needs one.
We got you, Jack.
You're the man.
All Things Chrome, Goodlettsville, Tennessee. 615-431-2294 is their phone number.
Well, we wish you guys the best of luck. Charlie, it's great to see you back here. Give me an update on your race program. I know you're busy out there.
Yeah, we are actually bringing the old Pro Mod back to life, and we're going to run it in 460. We're going to run the 460 Weeks bikes today, which was Reggie's old Pro Stock bike.
Awesome. It's going to be great to see that bike back out. Thank you guys very much for
Jack.
everything you do. Weeks Performance. Cycle Drag Universe, I wanted to share this beautiful sunset with you. You know I love taking you with me during all my travels. Right now we're at Crossville Dragway, Crossville, Tennessee, right in between Nashville and Knoxville. In progress is the SDBA BB Fall Smackdown. So many videos coming. Thank you so much. It's been awesome sharing them with you. Please do me a favor. Make sure you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube, and make sure you're following Cycle Drag on Instagram. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. Can we do it? We certainly need your help, that's for sure. We're about 40,000 shy, so please, if you like what you saw here, if you think it's good energy, if you think it's fun, if you think it's entertaining, if you like motorcycles, please share it with one friend. One motorcycle friend, one drag racing friend that does not yet know about us. We appreciate it greatly. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles, we are in. We're gonna travel the globe for you. We're here to cure your 2020 pandemic boredom, I promise you that. And you know, Cycle Drag rolls on. If you like that video, here's another one for you. Thanks so much for watching.